how to buy Alvido token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, this token, it's available on MEXC, but before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel. Now, first of all, what you need to do, just open your MEXC account like that. Now, before that, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours. Now, after that, what you need to do is just in the search bar, now click here and type Alvido like that. So after that, select that pair that have USDT. So I will just miss some character. So ALVIDO like that. So after that, select that pair that have USDT. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, as you can see, you can now type here how much you want to buy over that USDT on your account, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. So because I don't have any funds on my account, and I will not be able to see how much I will receive of that token. But for you, you can type here how much you want to buy of that USDT on your account. Now here you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token, and after that, just click on buy Alvido, and in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive that token on your account. So this is how to buy Alvido token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.